How to add or remove optional features in Windows Install Media. Whether you're streamlining daily tasks or deploying across complex environments, the real power of Windows lies in its optional features. We'll show you how to configure these features directly from installation media for better efficiency, security, and compliance. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why customize Windows? Why customize your Windows 10 operating system in the first place? Optional features like Windows Subsystem for Linux or Remote Server Administration Tools, or RSA-T, are modular components. With the right tools, you can tailor your Windows installation before it even boots up. By modifying the Windows 10 install media, you can boost security, accelerate deployment, and maintain compliance, all while minimizing bloat. What you'll need. To get started, gather these essentials: a Windows 10 ISO or installation media, access to install.wim or install.esd, administrator privileges, the DISM tool built in with Windows, the Windows ADK for advanced imaging tasks, and 10 to 15 gigabytes of free disk space. Now let's walk through the steps to configure optional features in Windows Install Media. How to add or remove optional features in Windows Install Media. First, extract the ISO contents using a tool like 7-zip. Place them in a folder like this one, d:/ISO_files. Next, open PowerShell as an administrator and run this command to identify your image index. Then mount the image through the following command. You can now enable or disable features within this mounted image. To add a feature, use this command to open a visual selector for disabled features. To remove a feature, use this one. Lastly, save your work and unmount. Pro tips for advanced users. Want to go further? Try these advanced commands. To batch enable multiple features at once, permanently remove feature binaries to save space, and convert install.esd to install.wim for editability. In the end, customizing Windows Install Media empowers you to install smarter. Whether you're rolling out one machine or 1,000, you'll save time, improve security, and stay compliant. With DISM, PowerShell, and a bit of prep work, you're not just deploying Windows, you're engineering it. For more information, check out our official blog post on configuring optional features from Windows Install Media, linked in the description below.